So the acronym EMV is Europay, MasterCard, Visa. It's taking really the ability at the end of the day to take a chip card outside at the pump.
With the advent of outdoor EMV, one of the big things that you run into is how do you get high-speed communications out to your gas pumps? There's several solutions out there. You could go ahead and you can run Cat5 cable. There's a lot of work that is associated with that. You're gonna have downtime at your forecourt. Another solution is using a media converter. These solutions use something very similar to DSL. And anyone that's had DSL in their home environment or their office environment realizes DSL is not reliable. With wireless, you have high-speed connectivity. It's a plug-and-play application. You simply have a service vehicle roll in, and at 5 minutes per dispenser, you have a wireless EMV solution.
It's already been implemented for inside, and the deadline for that was 2015. The new deadline for outside is actually 2020. And what we're seeing now in the industry is we're seeing a lot of our customers that have not implemented EMV inside yet. And when the 2015 deadline came around, they saw chargebacks go way up. So this is definitely something that's of value to them. It's going to save them money and help their business run a little more smoothly.
These units have less than a 0.1% failure rate. So you have a really highly reliable unit. They're self-healing. If they lose communications, they reboot. And they have a plug-and-play application. So if you go ahead and you have a unit that fails, you can easily go ahead and plug one in and be back up and operational. Allied Wireless EMV is secure, reliable, low-cost communications for your EMV transactions.